wanna feel you more. I tried to read your book, but it's too complicated.
I know. There's a whole bag of pillows. Why do we have so many pillows? There's like 7 pillows on the bed. A lot down. A lot more to go. This is palinka. This is like 70+% alcohol. La mulți ani, românașii noștri.
Noroc.
Noroc. Okay. Let's make some calls. So yeah, these things, they also need to come back. We also need to coat them with a light gray, and then we are gonna do the surface. And this, by the way, is today's video. Brand new kitchen for under 200 pounds. Do not forget, under any circumstance, to subscribe to my channel, and then it can be our channel. Press that sub, press that bell thing. You know the drill. Let's go to an actual drill. Oh, shit's about to get real, son. The main problem is making a hole with this to fit this to go through. We're gonna need 2 equally big holes to go through this and through there, somehow up through the top and then into here. Yes. Now, another one below and another 2 there. Easy. Voila! This is proving to be considerably more difficult than I had anticipated. Yes, mate. A genius DIY person, man. You know, since we are indeed painting these doors of a different color, it would have been easy for me right now and useful to just take them off to begin with. Here's, alas, there are no more cupboard doors. The one in the oh, and that one. Bro, you thought you got away. Sucker. Oh. Okay, plan. I'm gonna go pick up stuff for the pipes and whatnot. And then she will start layering this to give us new surfaces. Why this brand new kitchen is under 200 pounds? Because I have free labor as well. To buy screws. I mean, sure, you can buy 1,000 screws. I don't need 1,000 screws. But if I did buy 1,000 screws, I'd need 1,000 screws with their corresponding 1,000 screw mounts for the wall. But they don't really do that. You gotta buy those separately, which is still fine. But they don't have the right sizes in stock. Long story short, I can't buy screws. So instead, I'm gonna buy chicken.
Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me pouring some oil. Oh, then it's empty again.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready to start.
Touch me and beam me, see what I see, nigga, typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, let it all go.
What is the top advice for people doing what you're doing now?
Don't get a pattern,
Okay.
so you don't have to line it up. Or don't be stingy and line them up like that.
Right. Also, it would help if your kitchen is straight because we've realized that these things aren't super straight. Good news for the hailstorm. I managed to get this working. It's no longer dripping. You think you buy brand new parts and then they don't work and they drip, so that's annoying. So far, I bought 4 things, returned 2, got 1 back, and 2 of the ones I used are not matching in size. Like, what is this? What is this bullshit? So we are 3 hours into this. It's going. So far so bueno. We're gonna start connecting the white goods and give them a test. God! It worked! The hallelujah holes have worked with the extensions and above and back and beyond. This is the one for the what? Yeah, look at that sunset. It is time for trip number 3 to be in queue today, because we need more of that surface liner thingy. Got them things, 2 more, because, you know, more is better. Get some petrol while I'm here, Asda, and then go back to the place. The f is it with staff in petrol station shouting, "Don't use your phone, mate"? Bro, this is 2021. GSM, do not provoke fire hazards. Jesus. Hey, man, this place is looking like $1,000,000. Look at that, you cut around this corner too? Oh my wow. Amy, this one is for you, because I'm gonna react the way you react. Okay, wait for it. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, you guys don't know how to do stuff. But no, it is the walls that are not straight. Oh my god, these walls are so not straight. This is so not cool. Where you going? I'm doing an Amy. Last bit, last bit, last bit. And then we have a nice kitchen and a working dishwasher. Kind of.
How sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out.
Hey, this house looks more expensive now.
To the bone, it's broken up. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Got to the bone, it's broken.
Day number Dukes. We are trying to paint the cupboard doors today.
So hit me. So hit me. So hit me. First a confession. With you, I feel a connection. With you, it's like an infection. I've been infected with an obsession. With you, never any tension. Nothing but love and affection. Enough of my case, so let's cut to the chase. Listen up, these are the directions.
That is coat 1. Done.
I don't wanna hear questions. Follow my lead, I default to your needs. It's an order, it's not a suggestion. I'm about to teach you a lesson. I recommend you pay attention. This is my kingdom, you're stripped of all freedom. You want nothing but my possession.
That is it for day 2 of our brand new kitchen. Tomorrow we're actually fitting everything in the shiny new golden handles. For now though, we are gonna have some dinner. Actually, it's starting to rain, so
Paradise is a place that's far from home.
safe and sound. 3 weeks-ish of living here, and we are finally getting an oven from Facebook, and hopefully this one will work and we don't need to return it.
Lately I've been dropping ecstasy. Never done it, but I tried it just to see. Chasing freedom like I'm running.
Yes, oven picked up, but of course, surprise. We need cords, so we went to Screwfix, but first we gotta figure out what kind of cords it needs. The world's filthiest oven. Oh my days. This is what we need. Daniel de fir amărât, că peste tot găsești unul să moară măsa de 10 metri de parcă-ți trebuie în p***a mea 10 metri de cablu să-ți conectezi un cuptor. Nimic n-a fost atât de greu decât toată faza cuptorului în casa asta. Oh, if you're curious, this is how an oven looks like on the inside. Filthy, and a brick will fall out of it, so be careful. Put it back. This one had a loose wire, but now it seems to be on. Let's hope that it actually does work. Yeah, heat's coming out of it.
Paradise is a place that's far from home.
Now it's done. I think that with this we've done a bit of a very cheap upgrade to the kitchen, provided of course we already had the white goods. How much was this in the end? It was this much, now that I've done the math, and for this price, less than 200 bucks. It's really good. I mean, it gave it this little bit of a fresh feel and modernized it a little bit. I think that it's slowly coming together as a temporary thing until we build and extend and the kitchen will be one big living open space with an island. But for now, this is a very practical, very fast method of modernizing your kitchen for the cheap. Yes, now at the end of the video, almost a year later and one whole breakup later, I'm finally showing you how we did do this kitchen for cheap. This house looks like someone actually lives here and loves the place. So I hope this video has been useful for you if you're moving into a place or if you want to do a very quick turnaround on your kitchen and you're thinking, I don't have the money for it, I don't have the time for it. It realistically only took us 3 days to do all this for under 200 pounds. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. There's more to come. There's a lot more footage that I have. If you haven't done so already, press the subscribe button and then that bell thing to get the notifications when I upload a new video. All my social links are down below. Before I go, leave me a comment. How are your renovations going? I'm genuinely curious to pick up some ideas, some inspiration, and also I want to see how other people do things. Maybe they're better. I'm gonna leave you here. See you next week and peace out. Later!